Hi, and welcome to your latest installment of Tech Trick Tuesday. I'm going to show you some hacks for Google Calendar, basically some shortcuts to make your use a little more efficient. First of all, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the tool I'm using. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic for this video tutorial. It's free and it's got some nice updated features. You can see down here, you can see the little picture of me. I can full screen that picture of me if you want to get a whole bunch of it. And I can go right to a screen recording of my screen. So a nice feature, but we're going to toggle back to the dual recording. So you're seeing my screen and me at the same time. So that's Screencast-O-Matic. So here we are in my Google Calendar, and I want to show you some shortcuts because we all like shortcuts. So if you go ahead and press the command and the backslash, you're going to get a library of shortcut keys. So these are all the keyboard shortcuts for Google Calendar. I'm going to go ahead and just escape this. I'll let you look over that on your own time. So for example, pressing the letter D on my calendar and it'll switch my view to a daily view. If I want to get back to my normal view and press W, you'll get your weekly view. If I want to look and get a more monthly view, I can go and press M and get a monthly view. So those are pretty useful shortcuts. I'm going to go back to my weekly view. Now, shortcut for creating an event. Go ahead and press C. I don't know what works better. And you'll get this window. You've seen this before. You create your event, you set your time, and you add people you want to add. So that's simply by pressing C. If you want to exit out, you just press Escape. Another shortcut that I just learned about is Q, and this is a quick add. So if something just comes up quick, you're going to say, let's say lunch with Brian on Friday at noon. Press enter, and you can see immediately when I did that, it added it to my calendar here. So at noon on Friday, it populated it into my calendar. So that's just a quick, again, you press Q and it's just a quick add. So there's lots of fun things you can do with that. I just also, before I go, I just want to test this out. Brian doesn't know I'm doing this. I know he's in a meeting, but some people don't realize the full features that we have with Google Calendar. One thing is when you create an event, you've seen this video call. So I'm going to go ahead and see if Brian's going to join up and meet this. So by pressing that, it automatically goes to a Google Hangout, and you can use that Hangout to screen share. You can have a meeting with people within the school, outside the school. So let's see if Brian's there. Are you there, Brian? Let's see if he joins. If not, well, Brian didn't join us then, but you can imagine that that's a very useful tool. You can use it to basically with Skype with people, but also screen share, but through your calendar. So give that a try with someone on your team or someone else, and that's Tech Trick Tuesday. Thank you.